Welcome back guys, Crypto4Life channel. Today we would like to talk about Ethereum, only about Ethereum. Let's dive in. Today we will see the decision about Ethereum ETF. A lot of thoughts, a lot of ideas, what could happen if they approve or if they deny. Guys, no matter what they will do, just no matter, you have to stick to your plan. Follow your plan, because your investment decision or any decision what you take for with your deposit, can be depends of some rumors or the news. So if you accumulate in zone of interest, Ethereum, this one. So I showed you this block. For example, what you can do now. So at this current moment, it's 244%. First of all, you can already withdraw initial deposit, leave free coins. Absolutely zero risk. You absolutely don't care. What will happen with Ethereum, with this super fancy internet money? Absolutely don't care. Next step, if you believe in new all-time high for Ethereum, this year or the next one, we talk about investments. You don't need to catch every single correction. So you bought it here, sell it here, and magically buying exactly here. No. You don't need to catch the knife, right? So if you worry about your investment, withdraw initial deposit. If you don't worry about your investment and you wait, new all-time high, you wait the targets, right? So my targets personally for Ethereum, and I don't care about the timing, right? It can be this year, 2025, 2026, right? This one. So around 7K. So this is a conservative price target for Ethereum. I don't think so. We will hit 10K for Ethereum. But of course, it's just my personal humble opinion, right? If we will hit, for example, from this block, from 1K, we're going to hit this one, 1.61 level 50, it's going to be 500% gain. So yes, it's not a big deal, right, for Ethereum. Because last cycle, let's say this one from COVID dump, March 2020, Ethereum made like 5,700% gains. All right, let's take this one to the bottom here. So 1.61 level by FIP, it's around, so let's say 7K. It's 700%. So this one is going to be 1,000%. Yes, it's a big difference, right? So big difference in gains. So this is not what majority waiting from the Ethereum and the alt season, right? So they wait something like this one, at least like 1,600%. So we have to reach like 15K. Honestly, I don't think so we're gonna hit even 10K. But yes, this 7K, 10K 22, 222, it's the next steps. So of course, but the risk reward, right? So we talk about risk reward. What we can see also, if they, for example, approve. So this is a weekly time frame. Let's go to daily time frame. Like you can see, we bounced from 27 block, hit over than 61 level by FIP. Bitcoin already traded here, over than here. This one, Nvidia traded here, Nasdaq traded here, S&P 500 and gold here. Ethereum lagging because all money inflow into Bitcoin, right? So what we can see now, if they approve, for example, Ethereum ETF, we can see something like this one, for example, sweep this high, and then all summer we can dump to 2K 463, this one, and we will be still in the uptrend. I already showed you. So higher lows, higher highs. So anyway, it's going to be the structure, uptrend structure, but it's going to be the so annoying market once again. And altcoins can bloody more. But like we saw, this cycle is really different because Bitcoin never dropped under a previous all-time high. Bitcoin never hit the new all-time high before the halving. We never seen the Bitcoin ETF. We never seen even Ethereum ETF, spot. So guys, the world is changing. So don't need to, I repeat it a lot of times, don't need to compare the cycles. Don't need to compare the patterns. Patterns is just a stat. So everything can happen in the world. For example, like this one. So today, they start magically spread the maybe rumors, maybe the facts, we can't know, right? But once again about Taiwan. So China begins the military drills surrounding Taiwan, states made a report. So maybe at the beginning of June, the China will invade Taiwan. Is it possible or not? For me personally, this is a question not if, this is a question when. What I can tell you, I recommend you go and check this post from 2023. So I made a lot of posts about Taiwan, about geopolitics, mostly in Twitter, because the crypto, it's the channel about crypto. But sometimes in chat, I share these ideas, The world is changing, absolutely. And this is a question when. What can I tell you now? Honestly, I don't think so. They will invite the Taiwan in June. Because the black swan for the markets, for the world, it's not something what everybody talk around. So this is not a black swan. The black swan should be something unpredictable. Yes, it can be this war, and it will be this war. So 2025, 2026, 2024, no matter when. The question is, it should be something unpredictable when nobody is ready. I can tell you if the China invite the Taiwan and the United States answer, and we will see the new war. I'm not calling this conflict. It's going to be the war. I can tell you most likely we will not see the United States elections this year. So believe it or not. But I don't think so. They will invite this summer. We need to see some euphoria for the markets, for all markets, right? And for altcoins also, for the silver, also for the gold more. That's why the China absorb gold more than ever, right? So I highly recommend you follow the posts what I share, because I talk about this one, the China and the gold. So I can tell you the most beautiful scenario for the crypto space, we need to see some good news. So the China not invite the Taiwan, they solve something, solve a problem, to solve the conflict. Then we need to see some alt season. They deny the ETF now. For example, we can see something like this one. Then we start new parabolic move on all crypto. Bitcoin will follow the Nvidia. You can open the chart of Nvidia. Then money from Bitcoin start inflow into Ethereum. So we pump it to this top. And after that, we will see the ETF approves. And the black swan will be some new conflict, new war. So yes, it's going to be the black swan. Something like this one, bump and dump to new, not new low, it's going to be new low. So technically, everything looks more than okay. How you can shake out people from investing? You need to spread some rumors, the bad news. Yes, it was like 10% chances they will approve the Ethereum ETF. Bam! On the next day, they tell us, oh, it's 75%. It's just random stats, random posts, random news. Guys, just ignore this stupid media. Just filter your feed in social media. Just follow your plan. So now, if we go back to monthly time frame here, all these influencers share the inverse charts. Are you think this bullish or bearish? Makes sense to use this inverse scale for every single post. Most likely, yes, we go into sweep this high because now everybody can be so scared before the June. Everybody can be so scared if they deny this Ethereum ETF now. So yes, we can see the sweep of this high and rejection. Everybody starts selling. Then we can see the one more candle up and erect all people who open short. So it's pretty simple, right? So we walk from level to level. So nothing special. Here we got, what do we got with the gaps? Here, the main gaps. We got a gap here. So we close this one. More than 50%, yes. So this monthly gap between January and March, so this one, we closed 50%. Next one is here, closed one. Next one is here, so it's 1K870 and 2K48. So it doesn't mean we have to drop to this block. Test once again, zero level. No. In this case, why we can't drop lower to this block? Why not? Any reason why we can't see this drop? Of course not. Of course, guys, we just at the beginning, basically at the beginning of adoption, beginning of regulation of crypto. So for crypto, I think everything okay, and this is not an euphoria. This is not a crazy hype around crypto. So this is not a crazy cycle, when the asset like Ethereum made 363%. So this is not out season. So this is basically not a time out from crypto, from altcoins or so. But of course, guys, follow your plan. Safety trade, I already explained to you. After 100%, you can withdraw initial deposit, leave free coins. Let's take a look what my customer said. ADZ direction. Let's take a look monthly time frame. This one. This is April 2021 top. Yes, basically we almost at the same level like March, May, so April 2021. So what we can form? We can form the divergence. To form the divergence, we need to see the higher high on a chart and lower high on ADZ on a monthly time frame. So it's going to be the bearish scenario, and it will be the bearish signal. So lower highs like this one on a monthly and something like this one, for example, on the chart. So it's going to be the bearish one, 3 drives pattern, right? With correction. Of course, it will not be the parabolic move like this one. This one is ADZ. Direction. We form something like double bottom. But we need to see, I think, the 3 drives pattern. This one, January 18, then November 21, we can call it. And then maybe it's hard to say about the timing. So maybe it's going to be the April 25. It's more than enough time from June 2022 and hit new all-time high, for example, in August, maybe October 2025. Form a 3 drives pattern. Why not? Based on direction, we didn't see the crazy madness on direction here. This was accumulation September 19, all 2019. Then time to hour. Take a look how long time we traded here from November 2020 till this one, till May 2021. Then again, now we got once again accumulation and just a few months. Now no new signal to out on a weekly time frame. Got it. Take a look. Market mood. Market mood. We are not at the level of November 2021 hype. This was depression. Take a look at a monthly. Also, this is not this one crazy red color. So this there is a difference right between the colors. Take a look. This is extremely red one and this red one. So in red one we can trade the long-term period. So this we start from extremely red one in December 2020 and end in November 2021. We start from we didn't even see the extremely red color on the market mood on the monthly time frame. So yes, of course, corrections it's okay, right? And we saw the correction. So we saw the correction like, let me show you. We saw the correction for Ethereum like 30% down. For the asset like Ethereum, it's okay. Next one is money power. Here, money, it's historical chart. Money outflow, RSI, bearish divergence. Money outflow, down. Money outflow, this one. Weekly time frame. Money, last one, money outflow, November 2021. Money inflow, May 2022. Money outflow. So it means that the whale's fixed profit. Money inflow again, money outflow. So no money inflow, new one. That's why, yes, if we will see some crazy dump, yes, we can see something like this one down and tests, I don't know, maybe this low 2K 463 or even 1K 700. But I explained to you, the problem with the timing, we don't have enough and too much time for this bull run, right? Because we are like in recover mode from June 2022, this one. Almost 2 years in recover mode. So basically we can see one year more uptrend, something like this one, parabolic move and down. So it's just my personal thoughts, right, guys? You can have your own. Trade on a weekly. Here was last signal to sell, close all short position, signal to buy. Take profit, sell, sell. So we can see that here from signal to buy, this one. We can see a long-term period. So from December 18, signal to buy. The last one, signal to sell, was in May 2021. So basically over than 3 or 4 years. So here was signal to buy, June 2022. So maybe we'll see the last signal to sell in, I don't know, spring 2024, 2025. I mean, we'll see. Monthly time frame. Here was signal to sell, we dump. Sell, no. Here was a signal buyback. And the last one indicator is take profit. Take profit indicator. What I don't like. Here, this is a monthly time frame. We trade way over exit line. Yes, of course. Here we tested exit line. Now we can see the continuation and then we tested the buy line here on the weekly time frame. We dump it on the final price. Buy line, bounce. Here's the exit line. So now we can see, or if it's a fake out, it's a deny of, they deny a decision for Ethereum ETF, we can dump it to the buy line again. So it's around 1K 346 now. So it can be like here around 1K 700. So yes, it can be the dump. Right, but basically it's just one big range. So we trade in range. So it's so annoying. It will be so stupid cycle if we will see something like this one and just trade one more year in the range. The good scenario, we can see something like this one up, then the buy line will be here, and then we retest the buy line before the cat bounce and the dump, or before the like this one and one more wave up. This is what about weekly time frame, daily time frame. Take a look. The price moved to the take profit. It's 4K 455. Exit line finally above the first level. So like you can see, the lines move up. Buy line at this current moment, it's 2K 241. This one, and like once again, this people love to use the invert chart. So take a look with dump, bounce, and we can see one more. You can open, for example, the chart on 12 time frame. It's moved like this one. Dump again, then stop and start to recover back. So this is how it looks like. So guys, I highly recommend you now, no rush. If you invest in Ethereum and you wait the altcoin season, just wait your targets. No matter what, no matter how much time does it take, right? So 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, you investor, you invest the money and wait your targets. If you're just trader or swing trades, every single time after 100% profit, just withdraw initial deposit, leave free coins, or take a profit and reinvest in another alts. So guys, just follow your plan. So I recommend you go and read this article. Then I recommend you track now the news, global news, right? Not only crypto. Filter your feed and just track the media about the ETF. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what do you think about Ethereum. If you would like to trade with my customer what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget Geopolitical channel. See you next time, guys.